A battery chainsaw is a great way to power through dense, tall trees. Battery chainsaws are lightweight, easily maneuverable, and provide decent power. However, not all battery chainsaws are created equal. In this video, we'll look at some of the best battery chainsaws on the market so that you can power through even the thickest trees. To find out more information and updated price of the products we have mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Like this video, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Without further delay, let's get started with the list. At number 5 on our list is the WORX WG320. The jaw saw has all the power and performance of the saws it replaces, but it's significantly lighter and easier to use. For heavy-duty work, you can attach a battery to the tool, adding an additional 50 pounds but giving you more cutting power. With the battery attached, the jaw saw has the same cutting speed as saws, which cost twice as much, and you can use it upside down, protecting your face and scalp from flying debris. The jaw saw is also the only chainsaw made for cutting directly on the ground, like when clearing brush. The 18-inch cutting capacity is more than enough for most home projects. The auto oiler feature works smoothly and automatically, and the oil level indicator makes it easy to maintain optimal lubrication. The tool's chain tensioner works well, even on thick branches, and the cutting mechanism is simple. The jaw saw may not be the best cordless chainsaw you can buy, but it's fast enough to get the job done, and that's about the best compliment you can give it as a homeowner. The WORX jaw saw is an affordable, lightweight, and handy chainsaw that performed well in our tests. Up next in 4th place is the CRAFTSMAN V20. The CRAFTSMAN V20TM is part of the CRAFTSMAN cordless chainsaw system, a highly efficient, easy-to-use system that provides cutting professionals with versatility and ease of use. Featuring the exclusive Power CS1400 brushless motor, the CRAFTSMAN V20TM chainsaw delivers 3,600 RPM and 3.8 FPT. The CRAFTSMAN V20TM chain pitch is 3/8 inches, while the bar is 16 inches. The chainsaw's innovative VersaTrack system allows you to hang and store saws on the VersaTrack wall. With the VersaTrack, you can turn your saws on the wall for easy access. The VersaTrack is a wall-based storage system that allows fast, secure mounting of your CRAFTSMAN saws. The CRAFTSMAN V20TM chainsaw has toolless tensioning for quick chain adjustment and comes with a powerful 4 ampere-hours lithium-ion battery pack. The CRAFTSMAN V20TM chainsaw's 12-inch cutting capacity is ideal for small to medium-sized cutting needs. Its durable magnesium handle allows consistent and efficient cutting. The CRAFTSMAN V20 is the perfect gas chainsaw for the smaller household. It's easy to maintain, shift, and maneuver, making it suitable for occasional use and professionals. At number 3, we have WORX WG322. The WORX WG322 20V PowerShare 10-inch cordless chainsaw is compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to cut most small to medium-sized logs in half. It weighs 6 pounds and measures just 11.2 by 9.5 by 6.2 inches, so it's significantly smaller than the similarly rated EGO Power Plus 10-inch chainsaw, which weighs 8 pounds, and about the same size as the Makita XCP02Z 10-inch chainsaw. The WORX has one of the best power outputs we've measured and one of the best noise levels at the shaft so that the saw won't disturb others. Its ergonomics are okay, though we would have liked to see a more comfortable handle. The auto oiling system felt smooth and effective, and we liked the automatic chain tension, though we had difficulty getting it right. One complaint about the WORX is that switching to the 10-inch to 14-inch slow pitch chain no longer automatically adjusts the tension. As a result, our chain wore out much faster than expected. We would have liked to have seen a larger 10-inch to 14-inch pitch chain offered, but the chain that comes with the WG322 is plenty big for most backyard jobs. This saws through logs and branches without difficulty, and you can hold it comfortably with one hand. is the Ego Power Plus CS1400. The Ego Power Plus CS1400 is the cordless chainsaw for professional arborists, landscapers, loggers, and gardeners. Its powerful 56-volt lithium-ion battery and 14-inch bar can take on the thickest logs, and the variable speed trigger and high-powered motor make it nearly impossible to kick back. In addition, the large 13.5 ampere-hour battery has more than enough power to last a full workday and is durable enough to last for years. Plus, its weather-resistant construction makes it a great choice for year-round use. The Ego Power Plus CS1400 is compatible with all Ego tools, including the Ego Power Plus 40V lithium-ion brushless chainsaw kit, Ego cordless pole saw kit, Ego cordless pole saw, Ego cordless hedge trimmer kit, and Ego cordless hedge trimmer. It cuts through wood like butter and is quieter than a gas-powered chainsaw. It has plenty of power for small to medium jobs, like trimming small trees, and it has plenty of stopping power. The included battery has a much larger capacity than a typical 12-volt chainsaw battery and has a 1-hour runtime, which is a decent amount of time for tree trimming work. The brushless motor makes this chainsaw much quieter than a gas-powered chainsaw. The chain tension adjustment makes it easy to keep the chain tight. And finally, the number one on our list is the Greenworks Pro 80V. The Pro 80V cordless chainsaw from Greenworks has impressive specs, but it's expensive, and its performance varies wildly, depending on your location and the type of wood you're cutting. It offers a brushless chainsaw motor and electric accessories, and it comes with an 18-inch bar and 2 ampere-hours battery, so it's suitable for a wide range of cutting applications. But we found the chainsaw far more efficient in cutting softer wood than harder ones. When cutting harder wood, we found the chainsaw to be much slower and less effective, and it only provided about 50% more runtime on 2x4s than our previous pick. We also found that the chainsaw had inconsistent chain tension, leaving the chain slack or too tight, depending on the wood type. The counterweight on the brushless chainsaw motor didn't provide enough torque for cutting thick branches or long branches, and the chain tended to kick back and jam the motor. The chainsaw's 2 ampere-hours battery lasted about 1 hour and 40 minutes. The chainsaw's 3-step power trigger is located where the trigger normally would be on a gas-powered chainsaw, and it can be awkward to use. The oil-free chain and automatic oiler make maintenance easy, but the manual isn't clear on which parts of the chain need to be oiled and how. However, the chainsaw has an 18-inch bar and chain, so you should be able to cut 2x4s and smaller branches easily. We think the Pro 80V cordless chainsaw is a good value for professional users, though it comes with high price. You will find all the links of these products in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for future updates.